tires tucked in. Hey. All right, you get the point. Where the hell have I been? Here we go again. Oh, hello. This is the other van I'm working on this season. This one is a 2018 Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 4x4, dually, 3500, 170-inch wheelbase. So I'm going to give you a tour of the cardboard stage and discuss the client objectives. I'm back. Okay, very productive afternoon. This is where the water heater was. That's gone. The furnace exit, that's gone. Refrigerator, that's gone. So, I could just say one thing at this point. It's a good thing this isn't a boat. This Sprinter is ready to go, and so is this ProMaster. The owners walked through and they sat and sat and sat and sat and got a good feeling on how everything is going to fit in place. Now it's go time.